Should we be using hashtags here on YouTube? And where and how would we even be using them? Well, stick around because I'm going to answer both of those questions right now. So here we are on my channel. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. So should we be using hashtags here on YouTube? Well, it's my firm belief, yes, we should be using it. YouTube have given us the option to add hashtags to our videos and our channel. So why not take advantage of it? And it's all these little 1%ers that add up that are going to help increase our views, increase our subscribers, and help our channel grow. And there's a couple of places that we can add hashtags to our videos and channels. And if we do it correctly, they will actually populate like you can see here in this particular video. They will actually populate above the title of your video. They become a very good visual impact as well. So this particular video was all about how to claim your new YouTube handle. And I've added 3 appropriate hashtags, and I'm going to show you where and how to do that. They then get populated just above the video title, as you can see. And here's just another quick example, a screenshot from my mobile device. Again, look how visual the hashtags do appear in this instance below the title. So where are the 2 places that you can add hashtags to your videos? Well, the first one is you can actually add the hashtag to the title of your video. So this particular video that I released only a couple of days ago now, how to claim your new YouTube handle, you could actually add them to this section here, but I'm probably not a fan of that because it's very much going to distract from the title of your video. Now, there's always exception, I suppose. If you had an upcoming seminar or event or something that was very much trending, here in the moment, and you wanted to get the hashtag appearing in as many places as possible and as visual as possible, yes, you could possibly put it there. But if it was just a normal one of your everyday videos, I don't want to take people away from, distract them by having hashtags here in the title. So that then leaves in the description area. So this is where I have added for this particular video 3 hashtags. I've kept it short, sharp, and sweet. And if you add them, or when you add them here to the description area, remember I then said they will then get dragged up and populated here to above the title of the video. Now, YouTube will actually give us the opportunity to add 15 hashtags. Now, 15, I believe, is way too many. It's not Instagram. I believe we're wanting to keep it short, sharp, and sweet, very much focused in on what the video is all about. Just like here in the description, we write a short description on what the video is all about. And this is all the metadata. This is all the behind the scenes information that YouTube grab to help determine what your video is all about. So add the hashtags that are most relevant to what your video is all about. If you're wanting some suggestions, go to the top search bar and actually key in hashtag and then your keyword, and YouTube will auto-populate. They will then start to auto-populate like you can see here. Now, remembering I just did one on YouTube handles, that type of thing, and there we go, it's an auto-populated. So the theory behind it is that if YouTube aren't going to give you an auto-suggestion, it's probably not a very popular hashtag, so probably don't use that one. Now, hashtags are basically just another way for people to search anywhere online. Instagram and Twitter and now Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube are now jumping on the bandwagon. Now, for me, it's also showing these yellow highlighted areas. That's showing me how many people a month are actually searching for these keywords. I'm using a Google Chrome extension called Keywords Everywhere. So it does help me identify which are the most popular ones. But if your video was all about dog training, it becomes pretty obvious you add appropriate hashtags all around the key phrase dog training. So will adding some hashtags actually help with the ranking of your video or when people are searching? Well, there's probably no evidence out at the moment to say yes, but as I showed you before in this particular video, adding the hashtags as a bare minimum just gives it a more visual impact and maybe even help with your own branding as well. And if someone does go to the search bar and keys in a hashtag, YouTube are then going to bring up a whole list of videos that include that hashtag. YouTube handles, and these are the videos that YouTube are determining are going to be a good match because they include the hashtag YouTube handles. My video just happens to be one amongst them. But then one of the downside is YouTube are then suggesting a whole heap of videos, and someone may get drawn away from your particular video, your particular channel. So in summary, I'm a firm believer, why not add a few hashtags just like I showed you in this video? It's not necessarily going to do you harm with your videos. It might drag some more people to your channel, increase your views, increase your watch time, increase your subscribers, and all of that is going to actually help your channel grow. So I'm actually going through a bit of an exercise at the moment where I'm going back through all of my videos and making sure they all have at least 2 to 3 relevant hashtags. Go to the comment section below. Let me know your thoughts. I would love to hear, are you a fan of hashtags? Are you adding them to your video? Are you even searching, with hashtags here on YouTube? Let me know. Love to hear your feedback. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel while you're there. Leave me a comment, say hello, and have a great day.